A new Arkansas law that allows families more say over a loved one's organ and tissue donations has now been put on hold by a federal judge. Channel 7's Autumn Foltz spoke with the leader of the organization that challenged that law in court. She joins us now live here in our studio with more. Autumn.
Yeah, Chris, Act 861 allows someone other than the deceased donor, like a family member, to cancel or change a registered organ or tissue donation after their death. Its opponents have won a temporary restraining order that prevents it from going into effect for now.
Mark Tudor, the president and CEO of Southern Legacy of Life, an organ procurement organization, says the law strips people of their right to become an organ donor.
So if you sign up on the organ donor registry, upon your death, it allows people, anybody within your family, to say no to what your wishes were before you died.
Their goal with this lawsuit is
protect that right and make sure that if you want to become an organ donor and you sign up to become an organ donor, you can actually become one.
The act allows anyone within the family to say no to donation, even a distant relative.
So it'd be scary for a transplant surgeon or a patient to receive a transplant or do a transplant knowing that a family member could rescind at any point.
Tudor argues the law will harm both donors and recipients and cause confusion within hospitals, funeral homes, and families.
We've lost donations, and anytime you lose a potential tissue donor can help up to 125 people regain sight.
What's more, Tudor says, the loss of just one donor can impact up to 8 people waiting for a transplant.
So anytime that this law, if it would go into effect, would lose one donation, you're affecting hundreds of people's lives moving forward. And it's just not fair.
Tudor's own daughter, Marissa, who was an organ donor, died 7 years ago. He says they honored her wish, but if this law was in place back then...
I could have a third cousin that I haven't talked to in 20 years come into the picture and say no, and then it's no. And then her wish is no, her mom and I's wish to honor her wish is no, and it wouldn't have been fair to her.
Marissa ended up saving more than 600 lives because her choice to become an organ donor was honored.
Supporters of Act 61 say it empowers families rather than doctors to make end-of-life decisions. And Attorney General Tim Griffin is promising to vigorously defend it in court. You can read his full statement with this story on KATV.com. On your side, I'm Autumn Foltz.
Okay, Autumn, thanks so much. The next court hearing in this case is scheduled for Tuesday.